Hi everyone, welcome to the live stream. Now in this session, we'll be looking at the NOC session, which will be looking at the US30 pair and the GBP USD pair. But firstly, we'll go over the fundamentals to see if there's weakness. Then we'll look at the higher time frame to see where the market is going, to have like a clear picture on whether to go long or to go short. So guys, if you want to hop on the trading platform, we will be looking at TradingView today, actually forever, because TradingView is what I use on a regular basis. It's one thing I use every time I step on the market. I use TradingView to analyze. And then I use Forex Factory. Now, what do I use Forex Factory for? I use Forex Factory for fundamentals, like finding weakness to see whether the market is gonna do something crazy. For example, like if you can see right here, these are the times that the news is going to be active. For example, for USD, like housing starts building permits, it was at half two. Now, if this color was red news, if this color was like this, if this color was red news, I wouldn't have traded that time. The reason why I wouldn't have traded is because like the price will do some crazy movement. Price will be here and then hoop goes up. So like when news is red news and it's stuff like non-farm payrolls or CPIs, I don't step in, I just watch. I don't really trade. I just sit on my hands. So as you can see, there is no red news, so we are good to go. And always analyze your feelings before you step in the charts. Like, how do you feel today? Is there anything that is impacting you today? Because you don't want to put feelings in the charts. You want to remove emotions and you just trade based on your rules, based on your technical analysis. So today we'll only be trading US30 and G, which is GBP USD. I'm always trading those pairs almost every single day. Now I've already like analyzed US30 pair, but I'll go over what I see. Because the first thing I did, I looked at the daily time frame. That's the first thing I did. Yeah. I looked at the daily time frame. Now you guys can see right here. You guys can see right here. I looked at the daily time frame. And as you can see, price moved down, went up, broke market structure, moved up, now it's moving down. So on the daily time frame, it is moving down. And on the 4-hour time frame, it went up, now it's moving down. And then we have to look at the 1-hour time frame. Now, as you can see on the 1-hour time frame, it went up, now it's moving down. So it's in a downtrend. That's why price is moving down. And you also see right here that we have a bearish engulfing. These are no bearish engulfing. Okay, I don't know what's going on with my mouse. Okay, you see that we've got a bearish engulfing right here. So price is going down. there is no doubt about that. That price is going down. But there is a problem. The problem is when I saw here, price was going up, right? And then I saw price going up and then going down. So I was like, you know what? Let me take a bearish trend line and put it there, put it here, and put it here, and see whether there's going to be a three touch in order to see whether price broke the bearish trend line. The bullish, sorry. The bullish trend line. Now, guys, when I put the bullish trend line, I saw that price touched 2 times instead of 3 times. So I was like, okay, the bullish trend line is weak. And if it's weak, then price might make like a fake breakout. So I was like, okay, cool. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to look for an imbalance or fake gap value where price might stop. For example, like we see here, we see like you can see here that price, you see at this zone, you can see here that this zone right here, price keeps touching the zone. Keeps touching the zone. So if price keeps touching the zone now, there is a possibility. Now, I'm not saying it will happen, but I'm saying there's a possibility that price might retrace or it might touch the zone and then go up. But it has to break the zone. If it breaks the zone, then there's a possibility that price will go down. And if it goes down, there's a possibility that price might get to this fake gap value. Let me show you. You can get to this fake gap value right here. And if price gets to this fake gap value, then there's a possibility that price keeps coming down or price goes up. Now here, guys, this is a bullish engulfing. I'm not gonna take it because we said that price. Wait, what the fuck am I doing, bro? No, we're good. So what we are doing, waiting for price to come here to this fake gap value, just on a 15-minute time frame. And if price gets there, then we're gonna take a long position. These are the confluences. Because we can see that price broke market structure. You see, like price went down, right? Made a okay. I don't know what's going on. But what I do know is that if price breaks this zone, then we enter, right? Now let's go look at the G. You know what, guys? Next time, guys, going to analyze properly next time, not today.